Time-lapse is a feature which allows you to speed things up significantly from the time it would take in real life. Now, to access this feature, first we're going to go to the Painter's palette here and select one of the creative filters. And at the very bottom is time-lapse, which we will now access. And once we get into the menu, I can choose how often I want the camcorder to take an individual photo, which it will then stitch together later. So I can choose from as quickly as a picture every second or as slow as a picture every 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and choose 10 seconds. I'm going to press enter, and then to start recording in time-lapse, I just press the record button on the back of the camcorder. Now we'll show you some examples of time-lapse that were actually shot with one of our camcorders.